Hi, my name is Kyera. I was an ATPF intern my junior year of college, and I became a volunteer. Never left because they're amazing. I could say that ATPF has impacted my life in many ways. In one, my first ever events were the USD football mentor program and Winter Wonderland. And those two events are what impacted me the most, and I will have lifelong memories with that. Watching the children's faces glow and just light up whenever they saw their player, or seeing their families just being extremely happy, and just watching everyone run around and play was honestly the most enlightening thing that could happen. It just shows the impact that ATPF does have, and it shows everyone's passion and love for each other, and it is what made me want to be a part of it. The families in ATPF are absolutely amazing, and hearing stories and getting to know them was and is an absolute pleasure. I can't wait to see those smiles again, and I can't wait to see the impact that ATPF continues to make. And I love them for it, and I love all of our families, and I can't wait till we all get to hang out and see each other soon.